shit. Alright, we're gonna follow him out.
Cameras on?
Cameras are on. Remember, brake just in case and lift. Hand signals. Welcome back to NJMP. Have you done any events here recently?
No, actually. Just got new wheels put on the Corvette, actually, and tires.
I saw that on Instagram or Snapchat or Facebook or something.
Yeah.
Keep up tight to him. Just keep pushing. How's your cousin doing?
What?
Is your cousin or your brother?
Brother-in-law.
Brother-in-law. That's what it was. Brother-in-law. I knew it wasn't quite a brother.
Yeah.
It is, but it's not, you know. He's still racing?
Not right now.
Got it.
I like the air conditioning from the gas pedal.
It's cold right on your feet. That was
Where's
perfect.
the person taking pictures?
Right up here, the first tent. So kind of that orange cone. You're gonna stop. Keep your left tires on this white line, just like you're doing. Right about a little more, a little more. She'll pop out any second. There she is.
Resting in the shade.
Pull up a little bit. All right. Woo! All right. Pull past this green car. We're gonna go up and around up in the front. Track hasn't changed.
No, it hasn't. Just the cars.
Follow this Ferrari. Hold up. Stop. Tight to the wall here. There you go. Tight, tight, tight. Keep going straight here. Straight, straight, straight. Now cut it full lock to the left. There you go. And just ease up till the bumper touches that white line. Right there. Perfect.
How do you put in park?